Hello everyone, welcome to Words Trail. It's me Anushka back again with another YouTube video. In today's video, I'm going to share some alternatives for bad that you can use in your daily life convos to sound more like an expert user of English. Now, we don't have to necessarily stop using the word bad, but if you're going to give exams like TOEFL or IELTS, they'll expect you to use advanced words of English. That's why I'm here to help you today. I haven't given TOEFL or IELTS, but I'm going to give one of these when time comes. Till then, I'm preparing. I've started already since language learning isn't something that can be achieved in a month or so, and sometimes 1 year isn't also enough to achieve the certain level of English that you've set for yourself. Moreover, the more experience you have with this language, the better the results will be. Now, with that said, let's get going. Before I start, I want you guys to have a notebook with yourself while you're watching this video so that you can write the words down and take a look at them whenever you wanna. Atrocious. Atrocious. The first word is atrocious. Examples. The beverages at his birthday party were atrocious. His phone has an atrocious ringtone. The food was spoiled and it smelled atrocious. Awful. Awful. His singing skills were awful, but everyone stayed quiet. The business showed signs of decline because of the awful ideas of the entrepreneur. Appalling. Appalling. The doctor left those puppies outside in appalling weather conditions. He wasn't allowed to have pizzas, as his parents knew that they were appalling for his health. Horrible. Horrible conditions of working was one of the reasons for discontent among the Indian sepoys under the British rule. Everyone opposed and expressed how horrible the new policy was. Lousy. Lousy. By this time, I've shared enough words with you guys. Now I want you to make sentences of your own out of the remaining 4 words, including this one, and comment down below. I'll try to read each one of your comments. Terrible. Terrible. Unpleasant. Unpleasant. Unacceptable. Unacceptable. I know that this word unacceptable is slightly different from bad, but you can use it in certain situations where you think it'll fit well. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, let me know in the comments down below. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon for more such content. Don't forget to recommend Words Trail to as many people as you can. See you soon.